Vegetable omelette with avocado and sauce. Eating a vegetable omelette with avocado and salsa for breakfast can offer many nutritional and healthy discoveries. Some of the advantages include: vegetables. Vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can help improve health and prevent disease. Healthy fats. Avocado is high in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol and improve cardiovascular health. Proteins. Vegetables can be a good source of protein, essential for maintaining and repairing muscles and tissues. Improved digestion. Vegetables are high in fiber, which can help improve digestion and maintain good intestinal health. Weight control. The vegetable omelette with avocado and salsa is a satiating food, which can help control appetite and prevent cravings for unhealthy foods throughout the day. In summary, having a vegetable omelette with avocado and salsa for breakfast can be a great way to start the day with balanced nutrition and provide essential vegetables, healthy fats, protein, and fiber for the whole day. If you think this video may be useful for some people you know, feel free to share it. Thanks for following us. See you in the next video.